It is not a secret that Slovenia is one of my most favorite countries. The educational level is quite high, so very young people, very well talented, an incredible taste for environment, and then of course good people. We live in an industry, textile, that without innovation is difficult to progress further and becoming more profitable. The transition between linear to circular economy is quite challenging. Actually, we are just maybe at the beginning of this journey. You can imagine, before we were getting our raw materials from big petrochemical companies. Today, we have to go by aquaculture industry, carpet installers, carpet collectors, and waste trading companies. It's a big change, but it is worthwhile. If you want to change from linear to circular, you need a lot of money. You need, of course, a lot of research and development and a lot of capital investment. Actually, there is no free lunch. You can imagine, if we have spent so much money to make the world like this, we have to spend at least the same amount of money if we want to change it. ECONYL is a very successful story. It is recognized today as one of the most incredible circular solutions in the world. You can imagine that the magazine Fortune has listed us among the companies to watch in order to change the world. Yes, it's successful. Of course, the beginning was difficult, but now it is very rewarding. If we want to diminish greenwashing, we have to measure environmental impact of what we are doing. When you measure, there is no more discussion. That's the secret. The luxury textile industry has a big responsibility because, of course, they are directing their products into a part of the market that can pay more. And so they have to help developing solutions also for the rest of the industry. And this is what is happening, fortunately, because, of course, they are changing and starting to pick up raw materials that are more sustainable and then heading towards circularity. We need a good and powerful legislation. We need courage if we want to change things. Please, it is possible to change. We want to go to Mars, and do you believe that we are not able to save our planet? First, it's better to save our planet and then maybe to go to Mars. So please, make the right decisions and give us good legislation. It will help a lot to change.